On the left side, under the SEO toolkit, click Organic Rankings. Here you can plug in the domain for one of your competitors. For example, let's check out graza.co. This is a competitor for Brightland. So this page here shows us every keyword that our competitor ranks for. You can look at top keywords, see what they're doing best in for organic search, see how they're being featured by the search engine results page features, and then you can also see over time how their balance is of keywords by intent. So it looks like the vast majority of the keywords that they're getting traffic for are informational keywords. And then you can see how their positions have changed over time in the organic results, as well as the SERP features. It's a really handy tool to figure out what your competitors are ranking for. Think of it like looking at their playbook. If a competitor is ranking high in Google for certain topics, there's a good chance AI tools are also pulling from their content. So this research helps on both fronts.